All right, all finished up. Here it is. 1941 Woody. The AMT model I got off eBay month and a half ago, something like that. Wow, this is a really detailed model kit. That is not true. Skill level 2? Yeah, right. No, this was a challenge. It's a good looking kit. It's a nice kit. It's very, very detailed. Boy, was it a pain. Let me tell you what. Just when I say a pain, I don't mean like, oh, it had a lot of details like the wood grain and things like that I had to do. That's not a pain. That's actually fun to me. But the pain was, so the way this chassis mates up to the body, you have the inner, and you really can't see them, but the inner, the door, so the door panels, let's say. Well, it has full-size door panels that goes all the way down and around the back, and then one that goes between the windshield. These panels that you glue in place, and then the body slides, down over it. Which the body goes down over all that like no problem. It literally just slips right over. But that all the panels on the interior would hit the roof. I had to cut so much out to get the body and the chassis to mate up correctly. It was crazy. If I combined all the time in just getting the chassis and the body to mate, 2 hours, maybe a little more, just in fitting issues. But finally I got it fit. Got it glued together, and man, it turned out sweet. The engine, the first video I showed you, I put in the plug wires, and it turned out great. Little flathead looks good. Detailing on this kit is really, really good. The wood grain, just everything. It really is a nice kit. I have a second one. I have another kit like this that my dad bought before he passed away. It's still in the plastic. As a matter of fact, I'll show it to you. It's right there. I don't know if I'll build that one. I don't know if I would want to build this kit again. It was quite the pain. But boy, does it turn out good when you put the effort in it. It really did. It turned out great. I can't be happier. The little windows in the sides, in the previous video, they're really thin plastic, and you have to glue them so they glue between the body and the interior panels. It's kind of I've never built a kit like this. Never, ever. But it turned out good. I'm happy with it. Really, I mean, this one turned out good. Really good. So it can go on the shelf as complete. And I'm proud of this. I like it. It looks nice. It's a good looking kit. I did a little bit of, oops, the hood fell off. A little dry brushing under the bottom just to make it a driver. But thank you for watching these videos. Boy, does it take a while to grow a channel. This thing is growing so slow. But who's to expect one to just completely explode unless you had some content like, not so many people go and look at model car videos. I understand that. I'm not in this for any money. I just enjoy building the cars and then letting you guys see it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll put some pictures in the end, some pictures of it, some snapshots. But guys, thank you. Please give it a thumbs up. Please comment and subscribe. And if you would share this video with a modeling friend of yours, I would greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you on the next kit. Take care. Bye.